Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress website design. First, you will need to select a web hosting provider and register a domain name, which is your site's address on the internet. Many hosts offer simple one-click WordPress installation, making the setup process incredibly straightforward. Once installed, you can log into your WordPress dashboard, the central hub for managing all aspects of your new website. This initial step lays the foundation for your online presence. Next, choose a theme that aligns with your brand and offers a responsive design, ensuring it looks great on all devices. WordPress boasts thousands of free and premium themes. Then, install essential plugins. These are small software additions that extend your site's functionality, covering areas like security, search engine optimization, and overall performance. A powerful page builder plugin can also provide drag-and-drop design capabilities, giving you immense creative control over your layout. Now it is time to personalize your website's appearance. Utilize your chosen theme's customization options to adjust colors, typography, and overall layout to match your vision. Begin creating core pages like your homepage, an About Us section, and a contact form. Populate these pages with compelling text, high-resolution images, and relevant videos to capture your audience's attention. Focus on clear navigation and a consistent brand identity across all elements. Before going live, conduct a comprehensive review of your entire website. Check all links, forms, and content for accuracy and functionality. Optimize your site for fast loading speeds and search engine visibility to attract more visitors. Finally, remember that website maintenance is an ongoing process. Regularly update your WordPress core, themes, and plugins to ensure security, performance, and compatibility, keeping your site running smoothly for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.